Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for my Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week. If you ever have any questions or you want to see more details or more photos of any of my creations that I share, in the description box below are links to all the blog posts or videos where these creations were originally shared. This week, I do have a couple things that are not here because they've already been sent out, and those are the loaded envelopes. They are in the description box below, and I do have videos on all of those. Be making some of those again soon as they are so fun. So let me move this aside and we will get busy. To start off the week, I had on Saturday, we had the Craft and Chemie release, and this is the North Pole Helpers. I challenged myself to use every single stamp in the stamp set, and I succeeded. I added all kinds of the crystal accents and stickles, so it's very shiny and sparkly, and I just love that I was able to use all those images and create this nice little holiday village. Oh, there's that one. Next up was the Hop and Shop for Craft and Kimmy. And I used that fun moose again for Moosel. The stamp set is Mooseltoe. Merry Christmas. I used stickles and glossy accents. Seems to be a theme with me lately. I don't know if you can really see all the shine and sparkle on that one. And then he's stamped on the inside. Then I had the loaded envelopes. Again, they are linked below. And then I had so much fun with the Not Too Shabby Gingerbread Kisses bundle. I still just keep thinking of ideas. Hopefully I will get my projects done so I can go back and play with that. Won't spend a lot of time because there is a video. This mini slimline with my pink penguin. Then that cup full of gingerbread, sparkle and shine. The theme of the season, I guess. Tag, which I am obsessed with. You will be seeing lots of tags. I'm actually going to be doing a tag each day in November, but I will talk about that later. And then I ended with a shaker card. So fun. I did make a pizza box to hold my ephemera, but I forgot to grab it out for the video, but you can see it in the original video for that. Then it was an Instagram hop for Craft and Kimmy. I used that North Pole Helpers stamp set again. Don't know if you can see. I knew I wanted to have these like layers of like the snow, but I wanted them to really be different. So I used several different embossing folders to separate the layers, and then just a layer of stickles on there. And it turned out so cool, and they're so sparkly and shiny. And then I put Merry Christmas on the inside. There's that one. And I ended the week with the Build Your Stash Holiday Card Maker. Our Linky party for Falling for Holidays started on Friday. So create some holiday cards, link up for a chance to win some amazing prizes from a long list of sponsors. I am also sponsoring this Linky party. I'm going to create 2 holiday-themed loaded envelopes, so that'll be fun. Don't know if you can see, I used a lot of Spectrum Noir sparkle pen on the dinosaurs, so they are very sparkly. It is a My Favorite Things set. I don't think it's available anymore. And I used some of my beloved basic gray paper. Hope your Christmas is dynamite. And then there's the inside. So there are my cards for the week. It looks like I have definitely embraced my holiday spirit since they are all mainly, I guess they all are holiday cards this week, which is so funny. My family was teasing me and having an intervention because I've never made this many holiday cards before, and they're like, it's not even Halloween and you're making holiday cards. We are just concerned about you. It was just kind of fun, but I'm having fun. I love using all the stickles and the glossy accents and all the cute stamps, and like I said, I'm going to be having some tags, a tag a day in November. Just tons of fun. Anyways, I'm in a rambly mood, I guess. I will leave you be. Thank you so much for stopping by. And until my next video, have a happy crafty day.